And you know, the storms have been the big talker, but also the big talker has been the heat. The Brazos County Health Department is looking to provide a place for people to stay cool. And 6 News reporter Andrea Uribe has more on this group's plans for the community.
Through surveys, the health department is trying to gauge the community's needs, which they believe will eventually lead them to opening a cooling center, much like the warming center they provided earlier this year at the VFW.
We missed the mark last summer. The temperatures were in the 100+ excess multiple days, and we did not open up. We were waiting and waiting to see if someone else would take the initiative. And we decided that when it came time for the warming center, we would go ahead and initiate that. And so we're going to do the same thing with the cooling centers.
The negative effects of heat can take a toll on the community at large.
A lot of things can happen: heat strokes, excessive street heat exposure. It's not good for the individual body. And so by being in public health, we really want to make sure that the community is protected. We want to make sure that instead of loading up the emergency rooms with these cases, that we find alternative solutions to prevent this from happening.
This plan is for anyone who finds themselves in a difficult situation this summer.
This is not only for extreme heat. This is if there's a power outage. This is for the people's homes that don't have great insulation, don't have fans, or don't have air conditioning. This is for all individuals to be able to come and seek respite from the heat. And so once that becomes available, we'll be letting the community know of the location, which will be the VFW 4692 post.
For 6 News, I'm Andrea Uribe.
Well, the health department is working with the VFW to host their cooling center once they receive and review the community's responses and recommendations from their surveys. To give your ideas and input, you can find their survey on our website at kcntv.com. Well, this next